Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're going to explore one of the most iconic places in New York City and the entire world, Times Square. Millions of people visit it every year, and it's featured in countless movies, TV shows, and photographs. But why is Times Square so famous? What makes it such a special and unforgettable place? Let's find out together. Times Square is located in the heart of Manhattan, where Broadway and 7th Avenue cross. It is known for its bright lights, massive electronic billboards, theaters, and nonstop energy. But its story begins over a century ago. In 1904, the New York Times newspaper moved its headquarters to this area, which was then called Longacre Square. After the newspaper arrived, the square was renamed Times Square in its honor. On December 31st, 1904, Times Square hosted its first New Year's Eve celebration. Today, it's the site of the famous ball drop, where a giant crystal ball descends as millions of people count down to midnight. This event is watched by people all over the world and has become a symbol of celebration and hope. Times Square is also famous because of Broadway. This area is home to more than 40 theaters where world-class musicals, plays, and shows are performed every night. From classics like The Lion King to new hits, Broadway makes Times Square the center of American theater. In addition, Times Square is open 24/7. It's filled with street performers, costume characters, shops, restaurants, and tourists from every country. It's sometimes called the crossroads of the world because people from all over the globe gather there, making it a place of diversity and excitement. Times Square is also a symbol of American innovation and advertising. Its huge screens display ads for global brands and the latest movies, making it a center of media and business. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why Times Square is one of the most famous places in the world and why it continues to attract people with its lights, shows, and energy. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.